Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick Scrapbook.com haul. As you guys know from a previous video, I had told you guys that I won a giveaway where I was given a $50 gift card to Scrapbook.com. And my order arrived today, so of course I want to share it with you guys, show you what I got. And here's all my stuff. And I want to show you guys a freebie gift that I got. So I picked up another chipboard piece from Crepe Paper Snowflake just because I broke into the one that I have. But you guys, you know these collections, they disappear. So this is going into my hoarding stash, which I'm trying to work on not having anymore, but I did purchase one as a backup. I also did purchase the cardstock stickers because this I did not have. I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. So I just picked up one of these. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these already. So I got a pack of those. I got the tag. No, this is not the tags. The puffy stickers. I picked up 2 packs because I think these are super cute for like small embellishments. So I got 2 packs of those because these seem to be sold out everywhere. They run out super fast. So I wanted to make sure I got enough of that to have in my stash. I also picked up these cute little pine branches. I missed out on them and I finally picked them up because they were back in stock. I want to use those in some projects coming up. I also picked up the layered tags. Look at those tags, you guys. Super cute. Those are all the ones you get. And I didn't have this, so I definitely wanted to pick that up. And then what I'm super excited for, you guys, is I did pick up a Valentine's Day collection. I picked up Pink Paisley Lucky Us. And oh, am I excited for this, you guys. I think I took it up. Yep, I took out the little seal so that you guys can see. I suck at like flipping. I totally get Alicia when she says that she sucks at like showing this because I suck at that too. So this is like the cut apart sheet. And then we have that one. How cute is that? I don't want to start any Valentine's Day projects, but I did want to have this because once people start to pick it up, then it'll go and then I have to wait. So I got the 6x8 paper pad. I got the 12, like the, is it 12 by 12 sheet because it opens up. Cardstock stickers. And look how cute. I know my lighting is off. It's super late. But I think it's such an adorable collection. I was talking to Ara and I was telling her that we should totally pick this up. So when Valentine's gets here, I love the ephemera pack. Look at this, you guys. Totally need to get a second one. So cute. So I was telling Ara that she needs to get hers because she needs to just get it. And we can craft and swap maybe like a Valentine's Day project or something. So Ara, if you're watching this video, pick it up now. But you guys, that is everything that I picked up with my gift card. And let me show you guys. This video is all over the place, but you know, I'm cooking. I'm doing like a million things at a time. Every day for me is like super hectic. Oh yeah, I have it open on this side. So this day they had this cute little Scrapbook.com case to put your Nouveau drops, which is great, but I don't have that size. I think I only have, this is the 1 ounce bottle, is it? Yeah, I think these are the 1 ounce. I don't have enough to fill this. So you know what happens? I'm gonna have to go on the website and purchase enough to fill this up. Because now I don't have, see, I have the little ones. These are not like these little ones, but these don't fit in here. They go right through. So I need to get more like this so that I can fill this up. So that's gonna be my next thing, is to fill this up with Nouveau drops so that it can look like a pretty little case. But yeah, you guys, that is my Scrapbook.com haul. Thanks to Samantha and her giveaway that I won. I haven't used my Michael's gift card yet, but when I do, I will show you guys what I ended up picking up. that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I sound crazy and all over the place, you know how it is. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.